Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will solve this problem in today's class. So it says ABCD is a rectangle. This ABCD is a rectangle of length 2a and breadth a. Two quarter circles, that is this and this, of radius a and a circle, that is this circle, are drawn inside the rectangle as shown in the figure. Find the radius of the circle. You have to find the radius of the circle this. Let's take the radius of the circle be r. Now you guys observe that this is a radius of the semicircle. So the radius of the semicircle is a, therefore this is also a. This length is a. Now you extend this to the center of the circle, like this. So you see the whole straight line. So this we get a and the radius of the circle we got r. So therefore this straight line has length a plus r. Now you join this center to the middle. Now you see the breadth of the rectangle is a and this portion. This is the radius of the circle, that is r. Therefore this length, that should be a minus r. So we get a triangle like this and this. So this triangle is a right angle triangle because this is the perpendicular we drawn, and this is a right angle triangle and this length is a, that is given. So we get a right angle triangle with base a. This height is a minus r and the hypotenuse is a plus r. This is a right angle triangle. Since it is a right angle triangle, now apply the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, you get a plus r whole square is equal to a minus r whole square plus a square. So from here, a plus r whole square minus a minus r whole square is equal to a square. Now here I want to expand this. I will apply the formula x square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. So here you apply the formula and you get a plus r plus a minus r into a plus r minus a plus r equal to a square. So from here you get, here r and r gets cancelled out and here a and a gets cancelled out. So here we get 2a and from here we get 2r, that is equal to a square. Now here you get 4ar equal to a square. Now a is not equal to 0 because a is the side of the rectangle. Therefore we can cancel out the a. Therefore 4r equal to a, since a not equal to 0. Now r equal to a by 4. Therefore you see the radius of the circle is equal to a by 4. This is the answer. I hope you all understand the solution. Thanks for watching.